How to use ref in AppSheet-2025. Follow these instructions. Open your AppSheet app, go to the editor dashboard, and choose the table where you want to build a relationship using ref. Find on Data, Columns, select the target table, and choose the column where you want to add the ref type. Press Column, give it a name, and set the column type to ref to create a connection to another table. Set reference table name to the table you want to link with. This will let you pull related data from it. Save changes, then go to UX and open a view where your new ref column appears to see how it behaves. The ref column will show a drop-down of entries from the reference table when you add or edit records. Use ref column target column to access any value from the linked table through dereferencing formulas. Thank you for watching.